Good afternoon, Standard Second. So, in today's class, we are going to learn a new lesson, that is 3.3, the animal world. Okay, so kindly open your textbook, page number 56, lesson number 3.3, the animal world. So, today we learn about different types of animals and their uses. Okay, so we are all animals, from the crawling worm to the mighty lion. Even human beings are animals. Most animals can move about freely. Their diet consists of plants and other small animals. They too have sense organs. Come, let us arrange some of the animals into groups. So, there are different types of animals. Some are domestic animals, some are wild animals, some are reptiles, some are insects. Okay, so wild animals, where do they live? Wild animals live in their forest. And domestic animals live in their farms, and we keep them as a pet at home. Okay, so the first comes mammals. Mammals nurse their young ones. The young ones are fed on their mother's milk. These animals have 4 limbs, hands, legs and a tail. Animals have 4 legs and a tail. They have fur on hair on their bodies. Human beings are also mammals, but they do not have a tail. Even we are mammals, but we have 2 legs and 2 hands, but we do not have tail. But animals have 4 legs and they have tail. You can see in this picture. Can you see in this picture? A cat. A cat has a tail and a 4 legs. A dog. See, even dog has a tail and a 4 legs. Camel. Even camel has a 4 legs and a tail. Monkey. So these are all mammals. And how many legs do they have? 4 legs. Okay. Now coming to the next, reptiles. Okay. Coming to the next, reptiles. These animals have a hard or scaly skin. मतलब देर उनका स्किन जो है ना वो बहुत रफ है. Okay, they are always born on land. Reptiles can live both on land and water. Okay, some of these animals have 4 legs. Snakes have no legs at all. Can you all see snakes? It has no legs. How it goes? It crawls like a small baby. It crawls and goes. Some of the reptiles are snake. Tortoise can live both on land and also on water. Lizard you can find in everyone's house. Okay, these are some of the reptiles. Okay students, so moving to the next page, birds. Have you all seen the bird's nest? Birds come out of eggs. How do they bird come? Bird comes out of their eggs, anda. They have 2 legs. How many legs the birds have? 2 legs. They have feathers on their body to keep them warm. तब हम लोग कपड़ा पहनते हैं हमारा शरीर को गर्म रखने के लिए. बर्ड्स कैसे गर्म रहते हैं? उनकी feathers. With the help of the feathers. All birds have a bill or a beak. Can you all see the bill? Beak. Can you all see this? This is a beak. Okay. They peck at their food with the help of beaks. Many birds can fly with the help of their wings. How can the birds fly? The birds fly with the help of the wings. Birds like ducks and swans have paddle-like feet to help them swim in water. Have you all seen the leg of duck? Like a flap, fan जैसे leg है उसका. Okay. Bird like ducks and swan have paddle-like feet to help them swim in the water. Some of the birds around us are parrot, crow, sparrow, pigeon. Okay, these are some of the birds. Okay, coming to the next, beaks, feet and claws of birds. Short beak. Some of the birds have short beaks, small beaks. Sparrows and pigeons have short beaks. Can you all see the beaks of sparrows? See, look at this image. They have very small beaks, sparrow and pigeon. They use their beaks for eating seeds and grains. How do we eat our food? With the help of mouth. In the same way, birds eat their food with the help of their beaks. Next is curved beaks. Curved shape. Okay. Eagles and vultures have curved beaks. Can you all see how their beaks is? It is curved. It's bent a little. Can you all see? It's bent a little. They use their beaks for tearing the flesh of animals. It is very sharp. Okay. Broad and flat beaks. The duck has a broad and flat beak. Which animals have a broad and a flat beaks? Duck. Okay. Next, feet and claws. Perching birds. Birds like the crow, pigeon and sparrow have 3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back. Can you all see the leg? See, 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. These toes help the birds to hold on the branches of trees. They help them to sit in a tree. With the help of their toes, they can make a balance while sitting in a tree. Okay, now you have to read the textbook thoroughly. Okay, and the next class I'll be continuing the remaining half of the lesson. Okay, student, keep reading your textbook. I'll be giving some difficult words that you have to write in your EVS notebook. Okay, thank you. Have a great day.